So here we have our basic web page, which contains some text, Hello Expert Village, a link that goes to the Expert Village website we covered before, and an image. Now, I thought it would be interesting to make this image into the link rather than this text. I'm going to show you a quick way to do it. Again, here is our link to Expert Village. Now I want to remove this text and I want to add this image here. Well, here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to just remove the text, like so. I'm going to replace it with the image tag, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to say cut. I'm going to click where I want to add it. We've just moved that image to within the link. Let's save it and look at it and see if it makes sense. Save it. We'll reload the page, and now we see our image, but if we scroll over the image, it looks like a link. And if we click on the image, it goes to the Expert Village website. We can hit the back button on our browser and we're back to our page. So again, this is how you would link an image. It's exactly like you're linking text. But within the tag, we have instead of text, we have another HTML tag, which is the image tag.